We have our CSS task and we have our awesome JavaScript task, but they can be a little bit tedious because now we have to go in and restart our Gulp tasks every time that we make file changes. This isn't ideal, but Gulp gives us a great way to watch files for changes, and when Gulp sees a file change, it can run tasks on the fly. We'll create a task called watch, gulp.task. Oh, let's comment this out. Watch for file changes and run tasks. And Gulp watch takes two parameters, gulp.watch. The first is the file to watch, or files or folders, and then the second is the tasks to run. We want to watch everything under source, SAS, and once anything in there is saved, we want to run the CSS task. We'll do the same for the JavaScript. Anything under source, JS, will run JavaScript. That's all we needed to do. Let's watch that in action. Gulp watch. Okay, so now Gulp is waiting for file changes. We'll just add some spaces in here. And Gulp saw that change, started JavaScript, and finished it after 2.2 seconds. Now we don't have to go back into our command line to run anything. We just have to run Gulp watch at the beginning of every time we want to start developing, and then just start developing like our normal workflow. The last thing we'll do here is under gulpfile.js, in our default task, we have this console log. That doesn't really make sense for us, so when we run Gulp, we just want everything to start. So we will run CSS, JS, and watch. That way we don't have to run in and say Gulp watch, we can just run Gulp. And that will run the CSS, JavaScript, and watch all at the same time. And then it'll stay here and watch files for us. So very quickly, we have a Gulp file with our CSS, JavaScript, and our watch task that can help us really streamline our workflow so that we don't have to worry about the small things like minifying or combining files or transpiling down to ES5.